I'm gonna use this product. If you don't believe me, these are 3 empties. Like, they're OGX, the Argan Oil of Morocco Extra. But this is the result of me using the brush blow dryer. So I'm gonna braid this side up really good.